I had two first cousins in Winnipeg who were killed during the war. One was in the Canadian Air Force and the other was in the Army. They were first cousins, one on my mother's side and one on my father's side. So the remnants of World War II were definitely felt as I was growing up. On both sides, my father and my mother lost, their siblings in the war, and their nieces and their nephews. And there were even, I can remember a number of my mother's friends who came from Europe after the war, whereas, most of my family, fortunately, came before the war. There were a few who came after the war and, talked about their experiences in the war, hiding out in the forests with the resistance. And, they came, I can remember this one couple who had just married. They'd met in one of the displaced persons camp because they had both lost their families, and they married there, and they came and they became part of my parents' little social network. So there was talk about that, and the sadness. Oh, there was another couple that I think about now too, another family who came, and it was definitely part of their culture.